Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video we will be learning how to generate an image in Google Gemini. First of all, go ahead and open up your Google Gemini application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your Google account. Now in the chat box at the bottom, go ahead and type in a detailed image prompt. I'm just going to type in to generate an image of myself, referring to the photo that has been uploaded at the top here. But in your case, you can ask for anything that you can imagine. You can also use magic prompts such as making the image calm and vibrant and something like that. And finally, after you are done, tap on the little arrow button at the bottom right and wait for the result. And after you do that, you will be able to generate the image. You can try and refine or regenerate the image by adding the slightly different prompt to generate new variations. So that's how you generate AI images using Google Gemini. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.